Let's unbox the Oneplus Ace Supreme Edition early for everyone, folks. Below, there's a 100W charger. The design has finally changed. The camera module is somewhat similar to the previous OnePlus S3V, which benefits gamers as it provides a very balanced weight distribution. When gripping tightly during gaming, it won't feel top-heavy. OnePlus's gaming phone claims to have significant upgrades in performance, network, and touch. After testing it over the past few days, I can only say it's worth looking forward to. We'll have to wait until the release on the 27th to see its actual performance. Brothers, the gaming test for the OnePlus A15 Ultimate Edition is here. Is its claim of being a gaming powerhouse just hype, or does it really have the strength? After watching the video test below, you'll naturally understand. Let's first look at its main highlight. As usual, we'll start by testing it with Peace Elite at 120 frames per second. Each time we drop into the formation area, there are about 25 people jumping. The performance of the previous generation is unquestionable, especially with this chip that supports the manufacturer's tuning. Initially, I thought OnePlus's risk was mostly hype, but after a closer look, they've truly delved into the core and re-optimized scheduling. It flexibly allocates performance needs, ensuring strong performance stays strong, with stable frame rates and low power use. For instance, in games like Peace Elite, it maintains 120 frames per second, averaging 119.1. It has elevated gaming to match the Snapdragon 8 Ultimate. Okay, after playing for an hour, the battery dropped by 19%, with the ambient temperature around 25 degrees and the device temperature around 42 degrees. However, what's even more impressive is its native performance. Some assistants enabled super frame rate, super HDR graphics, and super resolution simultaneously, allowing you to experience the upgraded 120 frames with native 1.5K ultra-high game graphics. Can you believe it? Even with such high settings, it maintained 120 frames for a heavy 1-hour session, which left me amazed. It's the first time I've seen such powerful performance on a phone. OnePlus's native performance optimization is truly impressive. After an hour, the phone's temperature is around 45 degrees, which feels quite acceptable, right? This is due to its flagship-level Glacier cooling system boosting cooling capabilities. As a 5-finger gamer, I can confidently say its 5-finger touch sampling rate is 300 Hz, making each tap very responsive and swipes and movements smooth. I did an hour-long intensive 5-finger test without any issues. During this time, I didn't encounter any disconnections. The advertised Linksy touch control really isn't just a gimmick. The 1.5K 144Hz gaming screen is really suitable for gaming, and it also features the flagship model's Vision 2.0, which is an ultra-eye-friendly gaming screen. Additionally, let's not forget that OnePlus is also known as the network penetration king, because it uses the gaming Wi-Fi chip G1. In the same scenario, its network speed is just a step faster. I specifically went outside the wall blocked by gray to test its gaming latency, and unsurprisingly, it can easily maintain around 20 milliseconds for you. During this period, it indeed achieved zero network lag, stable heart rate, and smooth touch control, making it a network-penetrating powerhouse. OnePlus's gaming Samsung basically meets the full range of needs for gaming enthusiasts. So, as I always say, those who prioritize high performance can rest assured.